Now, welcome back to Hardcore. Today I am making a little seating area for eventual food area. Should be super fun. What do I have? There's some chairs still. Need fences and some trapdoors. Let's see if I have anything in here. Oh gosh. For other wood, not. I'm gonna they all are organized. I don't need to put some of my stuff. It's like taking up so much, like, in my inventory. What the heck is happening here? It's fine. We will eventually be using those, but put that there. Not gonna need any dirt. Okay. Almost later. I'll put these in here. Where is my... There it is. Okay. I do not think it is getting dark yet, so I'm going to find... Oh gosh. I need to find some trees. These are literally whatever, doesn't matter. I don't know where any of my trees are. It's slightly purple ones, actually. Okay, it is getting dark out. I can't tell if it is or not. Like, lots of stuff. Let's see. I guess, okay. It is nighttime. I'm really confused. Okay. Perfect. Actually, stop raining. Like, at least. Over here. Oh, birch. I need oak. Do this. Oh gosh. I need way more trees than this. Okay, there we go. I was about to say. Skip. I don't know how much we need. So, I'm gonna do this, I guess. On it. It's like, those are annoying, actually. We only need 2 blocks. Anyway, I did do fences in the bottom, but I'm going to do any terraforming that will be streamed. It's a lot easier that way. Probably later this week. I think I will do that. If you want any more information about streams, you can check out the Twitter tab is linked. And the social links will list all of my social medias. You guys should go check them out. I do more people on here than I do of other social media platforms. Like one more? And go from there. There's a kill forest over there. Okay. Let's not try to start stuff. That would be helpful. So like the food areas will be added probably next week, I think is my goal. For the future. Hopefully. Anyway. Do the tables and chairs stuff. It'll probably be a shorter video. Maybe we'll do this. Maybe find out how long this is when it's actually out. I hate the fact that there is no trees only on this side and not on the other side, which is really weird. Don't get it. Okay. Let's get this pig. Just too lazy. I could use some. Oh gosh. I did not mean to do that. Be careful. This is hardcore. Wrong move and it's way over for me. I don't know I have any clues, so I might as well get some while I have it, I guess. Okay. Oh, fuck. Wait, I have dirt. Never mind. Okay. That was stupid. Yes. Do a farm. That's why I'm not kind of animal over here. Okay. Let's grab everything. Then I will do that. I'll eventually add the rest. I get add the rest of the fencing. I'm fine with that at some point, but not today. For the future goal of this is that I'm gonna use trapdoors. I'm gonna make some sticks. Fences. I'm gonna do good. Not trapdoors, parchment plates. Looks better. Okay. I'm gonna do like 15. Do more effect. Okay. I'm gonna add this to. Let me just figure that out. Yeah. Gosh. Go. Up here, I think. That's the area. Perfect. Even out. Feel that. So loud. Oh, that was loud. For sure. Good, it's not better. Hold on. What's happening? I swear on Minecraft sometimes. Why is it so loud? Okay, sometimes. It's even louder. Little area. Wrong way around. A little bit too close together. Oh my gosh, is just basic. There. What's that? There. Can do one more. I think would be perfect. Yes. Nice. A little more. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, that is not even whatsoever. Okay. That's how dark so quickly. It's one way. Yes. Put the placement after my time. Hopefully I don't want to die randomly by something stupidly. It probably hasn't happened yet. This way yet. Are you kidding me? It's literally dark enough. I have patience. Yes. There you go. I cannot believe I mess up the literal spacing on that. It's actually so annoying. I mean, if those are gonna breed some animals, then I'll end the video. I'm sure if I'm not do off camera, but I cannot believe that. I mean, not off camera, streaming probably. I cannot believe I messed that up. It's so annoying. Seeds and stuff. Oh, with me though. Go there. Go there. It's so annoying. Oh gosh. Okay. Are going to breathe. Oh my god. Pig. Okay, I don't have any meat. KFC's in meat on me. Okay. Oh my god. I hate the random lag spikes. It is so annoying. Really. In my opinion. Okay. And 3 chickens. Okay, let's get the seeds out. Oops. One thing. Where'd the other one go? I'm gonna throw double of eggs. I don't know where No. Oh. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna pick anything up. Actually. Hold on. Pass me down. I can't. Are you kidding me? I picked up. Are you kidding me? Okay, perfect. Okay. Let's see if I have luck with these. Okay, now. Anyway, that's the day of this week's episode, and I will see you guys next time.